Hey everyone, welcome back to my Python tutorial series. In this video, we are going to learn about another important data type in Python called set. So what is a set? A set is a collection of multiple values stored in a single variable. Sets are represented by set. This is the data type for set in Python. Sets are unordered. That means the values in the set do not have any order. Since they do not have any order, they don't have fixed indexes. So sets are unindexed also. Sets do not allow duplicate values. Even if you try adding duplicate values and when you will print the set, it will possess only the single value for that. It will not allow the duplicate values. Sets are mutable, which means elements can be added to set, elements can be removed from set. Let us see some examples of set. So, for example, 10, 20, 30, apple, banana, mango. So, all these are sets which are represented by curly brackets. Let us go to our Jupyter Notebook and do some hands-on around set. Let us create a set. Let us give the set name as numbers and values as 10, 20 and 30 inside the curly brackets. And if I print numbers, I will get the set printed. And if I check the type of numbers, let's say the data type of numbers, it will be set. So this is how we create set. And if we add multiple values for 20, let's say I add one more 20 in this set, and if I execute, I'll still get the same value because sets do not allow the duplicate values. It automatically removes the duplicates. Let us see how to create an empty set. To create an empty set, we use set keyword and parenthesis. This will create empty set. If I print it, I'll get an empty set. But let's say if I add the curly brackets and I do not add any values to it, will it create empty set? Let us see that. And if I print the type of B, what will happen? Oh, it gives dictionary. However, if I print the type of A here, I get a set, which means if I want to create an empty set, I will use set keyword with parenthesis. If I use curly bracket without giving any value, it creates an empty dictionary. It will not create a set. Let us take another example of set. Let's say I have 4, 1, 2, 3. Now, let me print the nums set. What will I get? I get 1, 2, 3, 4. However, while initializing, I had given 4, 1, 2 and 3. Since sets do not maintain the order, sets are unordered. So even if you give a particular sequence of values, it will automatically adjust itself according to the set. It will not retain that order because sets are unordered. Let us see if I can access the elements of set using indexes. I get an error. because num is not defined. Let me correct the variable name nums. So in case set object is not subscribable, which means sets are not indexed. They do not support indexing because sets are unordered. There is no particular order of the elements inside the set. Therefore, we do not have the specific indexes of the elements. Since there are no indexes in the elements, we cannot access the elements with indexes. This proves sets are unindexed. Let's see some methods around set. Adding elements. How do we add elements in a set? By using add keyword. So I have my num set. Let me reinitialize it here so that it is clear. Let's say I have 4, 1, 2 and 3 and I want to add a value 5 to it. How will I do? Nums dot add and the value 5. And if I print my nums variable, I will get the 5 element added. Let's say I want to add multiple elements in the set. How will I do that? I can do that using update function. So nums dot update and inside the update function I can give a array of values which I want to, a list of values which I want to add. So if I print it, 6 and 7 are added. So this proves sets are mutable. We can add elements to the set. Let us see removing the elements. So let us initialize the set nums. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 elements. Let's say I want to remove the value 2 from the set. I'll use remove function and I will give the value which I want to remove. And if I print the set, I'll have the values and 2 is removed. But let's say if I try to remove a value which is not present, let's say 6, what will happen? It will give me an error. So remove function removes the element from the set, but if the element is not present in the set, it will give me an error. There is one more way of removing the elements from the set, which is using discard function. Discard, and this was with using remove. So what discard function does, it will remove the element from the set, but if the element is not present, it will not give error. So if I print nums, so it has removed the element 1 from the set. But let's say if I try to remove the element 10, 10 is not present in the set, what will happen? It does not give any error. Let's see another important function around set, which is pop function. So what pop function does? It removes a random element from the set. Why random elements? Because sets are unordered. So since there is no specific order, and if we try to remove an element using pop function, it will remove a random element from the set. So I'm printing the num set. Let us see what happens. So it has removed the value 1. Okay. So these are various functions or methods around set. So in this video, we learned about set and various functions around set. In the next video, we will be learning about various operations around set data type. Thanks for watching.